this point in time. As far as the Karnataka High Court is concerned, they have delivered a strong verdict against a microblogging platform X, dismissing its petitions that challenge the centre's direction to block certain accounts and posts. The court underlined that regulation of social media is the need of the hour, stressing that such platforms cannot be allowed to operate in India without oversight. In a sharp observation, the bench said, and I quote, social media companies cannot be allowed to work unregulated in India, unquote. Well, that is the big breaking news where the High Court also clarified that Platform X must comply with the Indian laws. It further made an important point, saying that the constitutional guarantee of free speech under Article 19 is available only to Indian citizens, not foreign entities. And with this order, the High Court has backed the government's authority to rein in social media platforms when it comes to unlawful or harmful content. The ruling is being seen as a significant movement and a moment in India's evolving debate on free speech, regulation, and the role of global tech giants in the digital space. Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time. My colleague Mohammed Wajiullah is joining me live right now to get us more details. Well, Wajiullah, interesting that the Karnataka High Court has delivered a strong verdict against the Platform X, the microblogging site, dismissing its petition that challenged Centre's decision to block certain accounts. Now, what they have gone ahead and mentioned is that certain content which may be termed as harmful or unlawful can now be taken off from social media, and that remains well within the ambit of the government's authority. Take us through the details, and how is one to determine what exactly is harmful content?
Absolutely, Sam. A very important verdict today by the Karnataka High Court. The Karnataka High Court also made a very important observation, saying that the American judicial thought cannot be transplanted into the soil of the Indian judiciary, and that is why things that India has and the laws that it follows
Well, that is the big breaking news that we're getting you at this point in time, and we'll try and reconnect with my colleague Mohammed Wajiullah. But important verdict put out by the Karnataka High Court today against microblogging platform X, dismissing the petition against the centre. Now, the court underlined that the regulation of social media is the need of the hour, stressing that such platforms cannot be allowed to function with unregulated content. What they have also gone on to say that social media companies cannot be allowed to work unregulated in India, and clarified that Platform X must comply with the Indian law. It also made a further important point that the constitutional guarantee of free speech under Article 19 is available only to Indian citizens and not to foreign entities.